Our next guest speaker is an ELT expert with 28 years IELTS and TEFL teaching and training experience. He has widely published in numerous peer-reviewed research journals, authored 4 books, supervised extensively, and has delivered keynotes and plenary speeches at various international forums. He has conducted and attended scores of ELT workshops and seminars within the country. He has been awarded honorary doctorate in ELT and applied linguistics by an American university due to his remarkable services in the field of ELT. He is a recipient of National Human Rights Professional Award 2016 by IHRO, Islamabad, Pakistan. He is also awarded a Certificate of Pride and honorary by Arab Translator Association Palestine. He is among 128 intellectuals, educators, and scholars from all over the world who got this certificate. ARTA has also awarded him Academic Excellence Award. He is recipient of Global Edu Leader Award by International Internship University, India. Recently, he has been awarded Gold Medal in recognition of outstanding academic and researching endeavors. Currently, he is teaching in the Islamia University of Bahawalpur, Pakistan. We welcome Professor Dr. Mohammed Safdar Bahati from Pakistan to give his speech. I'm sorry, Doctor, your mic is muted.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you now. Welcome, Professor.
Okay, thank you very much. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good noon to everyone. This is Dr. Mohammed Safdar Bahati from Bahawalpur, Pakistan. I'm very thankful to the conference team for inviting me as a keynote speaker at this forum. And the topic of my talk is Importance of English Language in Scientific Studies, a Survey. And that is a brief sketch of my talk. Respected audience, I am having this issue. Dear audience, language is absolutely central to learning. Without it, one cannot make sense or communicate his understanding of a subject. The ever-growing need for good communication skills in English has created a huge demand for English teaching around the world. Millions of people today want to improve their command of English and ensure their children achieve a good command of English. English is the most essential means to exchange a few words through all nations around the world. Good teachers constantly seek to improve their learning and teaching. They want the best for their students and themselves as well. The worldwide demand for English has created an enormous demand for quality language teaching materials and the resources. Impact of language. Dear audience, language is a device which enables a shared interaction among the society. Human beings prefer to interact with the people around their surroundings. People with modern technology need language other than their mother or national language. The effort has gained importance through mass media as the source of collaboration among the countries in the form of education and trade. The students prefer foreign language learning to develop positive academic self-concept for lessons. The goals of foreign language learning as apparent by the learners may be either intrinsic or intrinsic. Language teachers should motivate their students during observation in the classrooms. Teachers must consider students' competencies and progress to make students adapt in learning a language. Using same language by the students and teachers has a strong positive correlation between medium of instruction and performance. More accuracy is observed during the classroom. English is important for students as it broadens their minds, develops emotional skills, improves the quality of life by providing job opportunities. Moreover, the use of English as an international language is growing with the time because it is the only medium for communication in many countries. Now, I would like to move towards the English for scientific studies. Dear audience, English is a language of science, aviation, computers, diplomacy, and tourism. Knowing English increases our chances of getting a good job in a multinational company within the home country or of finding work abroad. It is considered a global language as it is a widely spoken language in the world. Incorporating English as a vehicle for scientific studies in Pakistan will provide more opportunities to the students on an international scale and will increase their chances of success. As English is the universal form of communication in the science, although many countries still publish journals in their native tongue, English is currently the best way to share one's research findings with the scientists in other parts of the world. If we talk about the significance of the study, that will be helpful for the students, especially for the engineering students, for the teachers, and will definitely improve the quality of education. The objectives of my study were to explore the perceptions of teachers about English language learning, to find out students' interest towards learning English, to investigate the impact of English language on students' performance, to find out the impact of English language on students' performance with respect to the male and female teachers. And my research questions were how to explore the perceptions of the teachers about English language learning, how to find out students' interest towards learning English, how to investigate the impact of English language on students' performance, and how to find out the impact of English language on students' performance with respect to male and female teachers. Now, I would like to move towards the literature review. The limit of my language is the limit of my word. Human life is dipped in language from our most warm experiences to our societal activities. The national language policies have an impact on teachers' classroom attitude. It includes the instructor's role in the process and the student's role in the process. The main focus of such type of study is betterment of the learners, providing instruction on daily basis. If we talk about the research methodology, that was survey-based research and based on quantitative approach and random sampling was done. 500 teachers from the Islamic University of Bahawalpur, Pakistan participated in the study. And a questionnaire was used as a tool to collect the data from the respondents. And these are some factors which I have deduced from the collected data. Innovation, 80% teachers agreed. Productivity, 70% agreed. Confidence improved, 90% agreed. Employability, 30% agreed. Quality of learning, 50% teachers were agreed. And that is the graphic description of my talk. Now I would like to move towards the findings. The teachers perceived that students showed more optimism in quality of learning, productivity, and confidence in using English in scientific studies. They enjoyed innovation towards the speaking and learning international language. As far as employability and global competitiveness are concerned, they perceived that English language is vital to seek the jobs and compete the rest of the world. Most of the respondents study English language for employment reasons as a prime motivational factor. Both male and female teachers have equal perceptions about English learning. English language success is mostly attributed by the use of learning strategies, so the students also performed equally. And before leaving, I would like to give some suggestions and recommendations. Dear audience, the world in which we live is basically our domain of language, where we achieve aims, articulate, and communicate excellently with others. That's why the employers usually recognize communication skills as their best obligation in hiring workforce. Communication is the outcome of language and is determined by the world's largest languages spoken or understood by the people. So if you want, and if you know one language, it opens up one door. But if you know two languages, it opens up two doors. Proficient language can change our entire future by opening new career opportunities. It can benefit us if we are working in a multinational organization. Knowing more languages, we possess an advantage over other candidates who speak only one language. English language should be made compulsory because it is it provides a lot of opportunities for the ones who can use it. This language gives more chances for future development, makes communication between people easier, and helps people to use the technological advantages of the modern world. And these were some references from which I got the help. And thanks for your patience. And any question, please, sir. That's all from my side.
Okay, thank you so much for your presentation, Professor. Any questions or any contributions? Okay, I think there is no questions for now, Professor. Thank you again. Thank you so much.